In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a legal page in Shopify. Legal pages like your privacy policy, terms of service, refund, and shipping policies help build trust and clarify how your business operates. So let's set one up the right way. Start by heading to your Shopify dashboard and signing into your admin. From the home screen, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where your store-wide controls live. Inside Settings, find and select Policies. Depending on your view, you may also see this under Legal. Both take you to the same place to manage your store's legal documents. Now choose the specific legal policy you want to add. You'll see dedicated fields for common policies. Pick the one you're working on first. For example, a privacy policy or terms of service. Don't worry if you plan to add more later. You can repeat this process for each policy. If you don't already have wording prepared, open your AI writing tool of choice and ask it to draft a policy tailored to your business. Provide as much detail as possible, such as the type of products or services you sell, where you operate and ship, your return window and conditions, how customers can reach you, what data you collect, whether you use cookies or analytics, and any third-party apps or payment providers you rely on. Also ask the AI to pose clarifying questions so the final document is complete and specific. Keep in mind, this is not legal advice. Consider having a professional review the result if you operate in regulated industries or multiple regions. Once the AI generates your policy, select the text and copy it. Head back to Shopify, return to the appropriate policy field, and paste the content into the empty editor. Take a moment to format the text for readability. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and plain language. Replace any placeholders like your company with your real business details and remove anything that doesn't apply. If your policy references links such as an email contact or a returns portal, add those links in the editor so customers can use them easily. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the policy live. After publishing, review the page on your storefront to confirm it appears correctly and that all links work. Revisit these policies over time as your products, shipping regions, or data practices change. Keeping them current protects your business and sets clear expectations for your customers. That's it. You've created a legal page in Shopify. Repeat the same process